The Dormant campaign feature allows you to start your countdown only after the first sale is made. Let's start by selecting a campaign which hasn't received any orders. On the Automation tab of our dashboard, we can find the Dormant campaign feature. You can toggle this feature on or off. When it's turned on, our campaign countdown won't start ticking until after the first order is received. Let's turn this off for now and see what our campaign looks like. We can see that there's a countdown timer ticking. Now let's turn on the Dormant feature. And let's set a campaign duration of 10 days, which means that after our first order is received, our countdown will start from 10 days. Let's save and take another look at our campaign. When we return to our campaign page, we can see that the countdown timer is gone, but will reappear after the first order is received. If you have additional questions, please email us at support@represent.com.